Hi guys, so my name is Thorn and in this video I'm gonna show you my drag queen. I'm not a drag queen, I'm a drag king. Hi guys, my name is Thorn and in this video I'm gonna show you my drag king transformation makeup thingy. I'm very annoyed by seeing my own face the whole time next to the camera, but I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, I'm a drag king and normally I don't really do YouTube. This is actually the first time I'm trying this out. But I got so many requests of you guys from Instagram. Like how can I start doing drag? If you have anything to say, please leave a comment. I mean, that's how we do in YouTube land, right? So yeah, let's get the show on the road, shall we? When you do drag, it's super important that you take care of your face, because there's gonna be a shitload of makeup on there and it's just not really good for your skin. So I always start with just some regular face cream, no branding. Yes, amazing. Then we go to primer. I have no idea what primer is, because when I started doing drag, I had never done makeup before, so I had to learn everything myself because there are not a lot of drag kings in Holland, and where I'm from, Amsterdam, I'm currently, well, kind of alone, a bit lonely boy. So I use a primer. I heard it's good and I like it. I will put all the brands I use in the description, and so you can just buy it yourself. Yeah, I don't use a lot of primer because I don't know what it is, like I said. Okay, next, foundation. Don't forget those ears. I feel so weird just talking to my camera. For the contouring I use Kryolan. I use 2 sticks, which is mostly enough. If you just want to go for a basic look, you have one is your own skin color and one is darker to make the shadows. Most people know drag queen makeup, and as you know, they put the cheekbone like this to make that feminine cheekbone. Yes, serving that face. For drag kings it's a bit different. We make shade. This sentence. With drag kings it's a bit different. We use a shading like this, like a little C, I always say. We make the eyes darker. I'm just gonna take you guys through it. This is dark above the eyelid. Then the whole jawline. I always do a little under my chin. Yes. Then we have the nose. We go for 2 straight lines. Well, almost straight. A bit of here and a bit here. And then the most important one is that C I was talking about, which goes like this. And of course, we have our little stash. It's completely okay if it looks a bit fucked up in the beginning, because you're gonna do a lot more things with it. But this is the start. So you see, we have this. Then we take our natural color and we kind of fill in the blanks. Sleep is for the weak, so especially under my eyes. At Primark you can just buy these sponges. It's super cheap and I mostly use this. Just make sure you don't use the same sponge twice, because it's really not good for your skin. Our skin is important. So yeah, just a bit more about me, because you guys have no idea who the fuck I am. So my name is Thorn. My pronouns are they, them. I identify as non-binary. I mean, life is about balance, so what's more balance than having a bit of both? You know, the first time I did drag, I did my contouring with eyeliner, because I had no idea what the fuck I was doing. But I mean, practice makes perfect. It takes time to be pretty. We have the popping cheekbone already. It looks a bit too much in this light, but in the other light it's nice. Well, it's good. You also need some highlighter, of course. I use this thingy. It's just some regular highlighter. It's liquid. I like it liquid. I put some between my eyebrows. And most of the time just on my nose. I have this little blender to blend it in. Just look at your face as a canvas and you can keep playing with it until you're satisfied. Which is about now-ish. So next thing is I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on my eyebrows to make them stand up a bit more. Perfect. Boom. Yes. I just used this eyebrow pen. It's brown shaped. always have cotton swabs at hand. I'm also gonna use a little bit of blush, not too much. Apparently there's police all over Amsterdam. I don't know what's happening. Let's powder this shit down. So just make sure you do that first. And then we put it on our face. This powder makes sure your makeup stays on the whole night. And I'm a dancer. Most drag kings perform. And we have to make sure we look amazing all night. It tastes like shit. My t-shirt is all dirty. Always make sure you wash your brushes at the end of the day. Otherwise your skin is gonna get all messed up and you don't want that. Just use some dishwashing soap and then pluck it. Bleep, bleep. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna make my beard and my mustache. I use this special beard sponge. Now focus back on me. And just some black face paint. This is paint especially for the face. Just make sure that every product you use is especially for your face. And especially for the mustache, I also like to do a little bit with the paintbrush. So yeah, this is the basic facial hair, which I always do. Of course you can stop here, but I always like to take it the extra mile. I'm gonna make my glitter beard with Mastix. It's also from Kryolan. It's a type of face glue. Make sure to not use real glue. Also for Mastix you need a special remover. If you don't have this, it's gonna get you into trouble and you can never take the glitter off your face again. Boom. Fun. I'm gonna let this dry for a bit. And the mustache I always do right before I start performing. Otherwise if I want to eat something it's really, I mean, it gets all messed up again. So we need eyebrows as well. And I don't use the Mastix for that because I want to keep my eyebrows. Actually I use a gel from Paint Glow as this. And this is also the stuff that you could use for the beard if you're not really performing. Because for a photo shoot or anything, this is just perfect. And I use it for my eyebrows as well. When it's in the eyebrows, it does stick. But when you have it on your face, it sticks. But after 2 hours of dancing on stage, your face just starts melting. When I started doing drag, this was my life. I had to run backstage like 5 times a night to redo the beard. And then I found the Mastix glue. My drag is never complete without some face tattoos, so I'm just gonna grab those and here we go. So make sure it's straight. It's like the only straight thing I do. I guess that's it. This is my face. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. And I would love to see you guys soon. Please send me your photos and videos of your drag transformations. And let's make this thing let's make this thing huge. Drag kings are gonna take over the world.